Where are you going?
Here. Are you filming?
Get going on. I'm not coming up because I have high heels.
Okay, well I'm going up the hill.
These are my high heels today.
I'm
Woo!
going to take my leg brace with me.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Turn it off now.
No. Okay, Kelly's up there. She's going to come down. She's going to fall in the water. Woohoo! She's going to splash me. I have to move back. Okay, Snipper.
What if I end up on the other side of the pool?
Don't lay down.
Okay.
Here she comes. Go already. Duck. Stop screaming and go. Chicken poop. Go, chicken poop. Go. Go. It's really fun. Go. No one has ever hit the other side. Hurry up! Go! Push! Go! She's chicken. Hurry up! Yeah. I'm waiting. She's scared. Think of it as a water park.
Daddy, what if I get swept down the driveway?
Hurry up!
I'm 34, okay?
You know, if Nick doesn't hit the other side, you won't.
I had like 50 minutes to go close my off. Ah! There's a spider right there. Okay, turn it off. Okay. What's that? You want to go into the pool, Shannon Tweed? Come on. Come on. My shoes! My shoes! She can dish it, but she can't take it. Come on, bitch. My shoes, take them off. Hi,